In this digital world, every click counts. And for the tutorial I have in store for you today, every click will count towards your bank balance. With just one click, you can earn a cool $7 in no time. Now, you might be thinking, is this too good to be true? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not. This is a legitimate and fun way to earn some extra cash without any special skills or experience. I just need you to pay close attention over these next few minutes because I'll be breaking down exactly what you need to do. And I don't want you to miss any important money-making details. So, get your clicking finger ready and let's dive in. Step 1. Head over to Script AI. So first things first, let me tell you all about the website we will be using today, Script AI. This is an absolute game changer when it comes to creating compelling content that grabs your audience's attention. As someone who loves to write, I know how challenging it can be to come up with fresh and exciting ideas consistently. That's why Script AI is such a lifesaver. It takes the hard work out of content creation and delivers results fast. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is head on over to scriptai.com. Don't worry if you've never used an AI tool before. Script AI is incredibly user-friendly and intuitive, so you'll be up and running in no time. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a big button that says Create a Script. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be taken to the script creation page. From here, you'll be able to pick the length of the script that you want. Whether it's a 15-second clip or a longer 60-second video, Script AI can handle it all. So, choose the option that best fits your needs. Next, you'll be asked to select a topic for your script. This is where Script AI really shines. You can literally choose anything from food and travel to business and technology. Just pick the one that you're interested in or that fits with your brand, and you're good to go. Once you've selected your topic, Script AI will start generating your script. This is where the magic happens. The AI algorithm analyzes your chosen topic and uses natural language processing to come up with engaging and informative content. You'll be amazed at how quickly Script AI churns out a complete script. But wait, there's more. You'll also have the option to edit your script once it's generated. This is where you can add your personal touch and make any tweaks or changes to make sure that the script is exactly what you're looking for. Step 2. Generate a script. Okay, so now let me walk you through the process of actually creating a script. The best part about this whole thing is that you don't need any writing experience or creativity to do so. Let's say we want to create a video on the topic of healthy eating tips. We'll start by selecting the 30 seconds option from the script length drop-down menu. Next, we'll enter our chosen topic, healthy eating tips, into the title box. You can add a short video description and some keywords here too, if you want. After that, we'll hit the Generate Script button, and Script AI will get to work creating an awesome script for us in just a matter of seconds. Script AI will generate a script that has all the good stuff you need for a viral video. It will have a hook that grabs the viewer's attention, engaging content that keeps them interested, and a call to action that encourages them to do something like subscribing, checking. Give the title, 5 Simple Tips for a Healthier You. Description: in this 30-second video, we'll be sharing 5 simple tips to help you improve your eating habits and live a healthier life. From choosing the right snacks to incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet, these tips are easy to follow and will have you feeling your best in no time. Script. Hook. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and unhealthy? It's time to make a change and start living your best life. Tip 1. Start your day off right with a nutritious breakfast. Try oatmeal with berries and nuts for a filling and energizing meal. Tip 2. Snack smarter by choosing fresh fruits or raw veggies instead of processed snacks. They're packed with nutrients and will keep you feeling full for longer. Tip 3. Make half of your plate veggies at mealtime. They're low in calories and high in fiber, which is great for your digestive system. Tip 4. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. This will keep your body functioning at its best and help you feel energized. Tip 5. Finally, don't forget to treat yourself once in a while. Enjoy your favorite foods in moderation and indulge in a small treat every now and then. Call to action. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you on your journey to a healthier you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. It's just mind-blowing to me how AI literally wrote all this for me, and I just had to click a few buttons. So as you can see with Script AI, you can quickly create high-quality and engaging video scripts in just a few simple steps. Step 3. Sell it as a service to TikTok creators. So, you've successfully used Script AI to create an engaging short video script, and now you're wondering how to turn this newfound skill into a way to make money. Well, look no further than TikTok. TikTok is one of the fastest-growing social media platforms out there, and it's all about creating engaging bite-sized content that captures your audience's attention. And what better way to do that than by sharing life hacks? Life hacks are one of the most popular content categories on TikTok, and there's no shortage of creators looking for ways to make their videos stand out. That's where you come in. With your newly acquired skill of creating engaging short video scripts, you can offer your services as a scriptwriter to TikTok creators who specialize in life hacks. Step 4. Send a message to the creators. So, all you need to do is head over to the search bar and type in life hacks. You'll see a whole bunch of creators who specialize in this type of content. Take a look at their profiles, watch a few of their videos, and see if their content matches your style and expertise. Once you've identified potential clients, it's time to reach out to them, and this is where ChatGPT comes in handy. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can help you write your outreach messages, making them more personal and engaging. You'll want to start off the message by introducing yourself. Let them know who you are and what you do. Keep it short and sweet. Next, you should mention something specific about their content that caught your attention. It could be a recent video they posted or a unique approach they take to their content. Then, explain your service. Let them know that you specialize in creating engaging short video scripts and that you'd love to help them take their content to the next level. If they're interested in working with you, it's time to negotiate your rates. Be upfront about your pricing and what's included in your service. If they have any questions or concerns, be sure to address them. Finally, don't forget to follow up. If you don't hear back from them right away, it doesn't mean they're not interested. Send a friendly follow-up message a few days later to see if they had a chance to look at your offer. Step 5. Use Script AI to fulfill your orders. Okay, so let's say you've successfully pitched your services to TikTok creators and now you have a steady stream of clients who are interested in using your script writing skills. Now it's time to put those skills to work and fulfill those orders. Whenever you get an order from a client, simply head over to Script AI and create a script that meets their requirements. Once you have the script, you can send it to your client and get their feedback. If they're happy with the script, you can go ahead and start working on creating the video. If they have any changes or revisions they want you to make, you can use Script AI to quickly and easily make those changes to the script. Using Script AI to fulfill orders from your TikTok clients not only saves you time, but it also makes sure that your clients are getting high-quality, engaging content that's tailored to their specific needs. Plus, it helps you to maintain consistency in your work and build a strong reputation as a reliable and efficient scriptwriter. And that's today's tutorial wrapped up. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you next time.